I just like the sound of it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Scoop. You tuned into Heavycampfx. Alright, guys. Today we're just going to be looking at the charts, trade setups that we'll be looking for throughout the day. Alright. So today's date is the 25th of May. So let's just see if we have any. Alright, guys. So as we can see, we don't have any major news events coming up. Remember, we spot news events with these red folders, right? So red means high impact news, and then mid, and then to low, right? So there's nothing major happening today, but as you can see, tomorrow in the AMs there will be some major news for NZD, which is one of the pairs we'll be looking at today. Alright, guys, so the first pair that we're going to be looking at is our Aussie dollar USD on our 4-hour chart. So this is basically what me and the team are looking at. Prices just stuck between this high and this zone over here. We're not anticipating that price will go below unless if we are moving now below. But at the moment, we're just anticipating either a retest, and then we're gonna place our buys to the upside, targeting this high again. Hopefully this time it'll break above and move forward. Okay, or maybe let runners continue, or alternatively maybe price can continue moving forward and then break above. Remember, guys, we are break and retest traders, right? So we wait for a break and then we wait for a retest, something like this. We can even target this high, but our stop loss below this will be a support by then, right? So if price breaks above, comes back for a retest, this will then turn into a support, and then we'll take the buys going up. Okay, guys, so people ask me a lot, what happens if price just moves straight to resistance? It breaks and then it moves. So what that means, guys, it means that we don't have a trade. You can't take every trade, you can't be in every opportunity. We simply wait for what we know, what we trust, which is a break and a retest, and then we move with momentum to the upside in this particular situation, right? Okay, guys, so that's it for Aussie. In terms of sales, guys, we'll be looking for sales if we break this, right? If we break this key zone and then continue falling, that's the only time we'll be looking for sales, which is a huge range, by the way, but for now this is what we're looking at, right? Then moving on to NZDUSD, also still the very same setup. Price broke above this key level right here, and now we're coming in for a retest. Then what I'm hoping for, what I'll be looking for, is that with momentum shift, if we notice buyers coming in, rejection of our key level, remember I said sometimes we might even get a deeper pullback, but then should we notice buyers stepping in the market, momentum shift, moving towards the upside, same thing again, guys, we're still looking for buys towards this level, and then stop loss can be anywhere here, right? But if price does something like this, comes back, retest, and then moves down, we will not be taking this. Okay, it actually looks like a good trade because there's clean traffic to the left, so we might be taking the sells to the downside, but my bias is buys, so I'm not really looking for sells. Only if we break this zone, the 0.716 zone, and then get a retest, then only I'll then start looking for sales. Right, guys, and now moving on to EURUSD. Okay, guys, so we're still holding the EURUSD trade, whereas we closed the other trades that I posted on Sunday. But with the EURUSD trade, guys, as we can see, with the London Open today in the morning, our price actually broke above. you know, and we're still playing above. There's about 23 minutes left till our 4-hour candle closes, so we're just gonna wait and see what happens. But I'm also hoping for some sort of retest. We might get a deeper retest coming back to this ascending, like just to retest this ascending support trend line. Alright guys, so that's a possibility also. Remember what I said, that price likes to oftentimes it will give us a deeper pullback. It won't just turn on our key level, right? But at this point, our resistance has turned to support, because we've gotten a 1 hour and a 2-hour close above. We just have to wait for the 4 hour just to confirm, and then just wait for a retest so we can add in more buys. But I'm thinking of closing this trade. I'm just gonna monitor it and see, since our break even, since our stop loss is moved to break even, right? Right guys, and then in terms of gold, gold is not moving. Okay, so you're just gonna monitor gold on the 1 hour chart, on the daily chart. Okay guys, so just to simplify things guys, as we can see, we're moving in an uptrend. Remember, in an uptrend we look for buyers, right? So we have recently broken this key level resistance. It's now turned into support, and as you can see guys, we've had 2 days worth of rejection so far. So my bias is buys to the top, right? So I'll be looking for buys until anywhere here, where this would be our next resistant point. Okay guys, so this is price is just failing to break above. So in this situation, if we were to take trades, we'd just wait for this high to get broken. Then with our private group, what we do is depending on how we notice the volume to the upside or the candlestick patterns, we might even place a buy stop order. But this is not something we do in our free Telegram group. I'm still teaching my new traders how to, just how to enter based on a retest, that's it. But then for my more experienced traders, I think you will see what I'm seeing here. So if you get a break above, definitely we will be taking the buyers to the upside, clean traffic to the left side. So this would be a nice trade. Alright guys, so that's the 4 pairs. That's the 4 pairs that we'll be monitoring throughout the day. Please follow me on my Telegram group to get more information. I do send signals there. Then also you can find me on any of my platforms: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Just use the handle Heavycampfx. Alright guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. It's your boy Scoop. We out.